Hi guys, this is day one of Vlogmas. Sorry for my crusty, dusty glasses. I don't really feel like putting contact lenses on. But in this vlog, we're going to be going to the Jaconde Crafts, Arts and Crafts Market because, let me show you. Because this is the current state of my living room. There's no furniture yet. And I need to change this up, especially this. Presents already came and I'm actually quite happy with them. So this is the only side that has no curtains because the AC is right above it and I don't want half curtains. Like, I don't like that look at all. So I want to get a really nice painting that's going to fit it, and I already measured this, so I'm ready. Next, I want to get another painting for this wall because the couch is going to be here, so I want the painting to be like that long. So my bed frame is also coming and it's going to rise from that point to the ceiling, which is why I did not bother with that window at all. So this is day 2 of Vlogmas. Let me move away from the window real quick because I'm sure you can hear that truck in the background. I was just so excited when I was unboxing my one-seater. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. But yes, this is day 2. As you saw in yesterday's vlog, I was not able to go to the Arts and Crafts Market at all. So I could not cover this dastardly bleep. I don't want to curse, but I couldn't cover this window and it's so annoying. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to get that painting. I don't know how to hammer it up and put it up, but we're going to bring out our inner handyman today because it's going up. One seater is here, the 2.5/3 seater is being made. In this lighting, it looks a bit dirty and muddy. Now that I look at it really well, but I don't think it's dirty because it's actually new. I feel like it's the material. I wanted all different shades of like cream and ash here with like accent colors of blue, green, and orange. That's the guy that sold me the art, guys. His name is Olamipo, and he sells all these beautiful artworks. Okay, so I wanted to do a little voiceover and just talk to you guys. Fun fact, I eat pancakes almost every day. They're the quickest thing for me to make, and I already know they're not the healthiest. So I like to mix and add some things to the side. Sometimes it's eggs, sometimes it's sausage. But today we're starting our beauty maintenance with a massage at MMB Spa because I'm going, should I say it now? I mean, it's coming up in the next couple of clips, so if you're seeing this, then you obviously know what the update is. Any guesses? My art came finally. So I showed you guys when I went to the art market, and the person I bought the art from, I'm going to leave his contact because he even helped me do frame the artworks. Obviously it wasn't free because nothing in this country or in this life is actually free, but I feel like he did a good job and they were actually pretty affordable for authentic, real artworks, not prints, not photocopies, nothing like that. Real arts, very freaking affordable. Hey guys, so quick update. I'm currently in Accra, Ghana to celebrate my birthday. So the shortlet I'm staying at is absolutely so cute. The host is amazing. He is so like helpful and kind. So I definitely want to plug you guys to this shortlet. I feel it's called Grand Apartments, but I will share the information probably in the description of this video. Today, I just want to take a chill day because the dinner is later in the evening. So I went out last night and the Airbnb is in shambles because I had to get ready. So I'm just going to be cleaning up today. That's basically it. I'm just going to be cleaning everywhere. And I also have some food in the fridge that I'm going to warm up and have for breakfast. And lastly, I want to do a workout before my day gets really busy. So let me show you guys what I mean by the room is in disarray. Usually the layout is pretty cute. Honestly, I can't really complain. It's really cute, but let me show you. When you walk in, that's the door and the dining. I just have my sunglasses and my perfume on the table. See Giorgio Armani. Amazing perfume, guys. Definitely check it out if you're looking for a nice lovely scent. And then this is the seating area, really cool, très chic. And that's just one of the blankets from the other rooms because sometimes I like to come in here and lay and watch TV. So this is the TV area, really cute, really simple. I like the wall art effect that the TV gets when it's timed out or it's not in use. And then this little area, this is what I call my getting ready area because I come over here and I do my hair and I wear my jewelry and I just plug my phone here. So it's just like one of the last places I visit before I leave the apartment. So let's stop by the kitchen. In the kitchen, I just have some clothes in the washing machine from yesterday. So this is the layout of the kitchen. There's a toaster, hot water thingy, kettle, and I went to Polo Beach Club. So the sink, I had some coffee earlier, so I just left that to soak because it was dried out. So what do we have here? Blender, milk frother, coffee maker, and juicer. Cute. And then the cooking station is over here. And the fridge, don't judge me, it's empty. Just have some water and takeouts in there. Now we're going to go to the other room. I think the other room is what I'm going to call it because there's 2 bedrooms. This is the first room. So this is where I took the blanket from actually. Ignore the stain on the wall. It irks me so bad. I don't know why it's there. So we're just going to have to ignore that. But other than that, the room is pretty simple. Very cozy too, though. It gets pretty cool in here. Not much to say about that. And then this is just the bathroom for that room. It's not en suite, but the bathrooms are clean. I'll give them that. Bathroom and toilets are clean. And then this area, what do I even call this area? Getting ready area, mirror selfie area. I don't know, but it's cute, isn't it? Check it out. Really cute. Some more wall art. And then my room, again, do not judge me. I told you guys already that it's a whirlwind in here. A whirlwind came in through here. And then my bathroom, ensuite as well. Not much to show in here, to be honest. It's just like regular standard bath. Toothbrush, toothpaste, blah, blah. I'm going to eat. And then I'll do my workout. Or should I do my workout then eat? I don't know. Days but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new
lips look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
What's the
21st. You planned it and you don't even know what day it is. Alright. Type shit.
I'm pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for you. Oh, would it just so much? Really how this time I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my replacement shit. I switched, nigga, I'm so damn quick. If he ain't getting with my shit, but it just ain't like that, sure. I even had tried that shit with you before. At a West End, I'd have tried something new.
Hey.
I was better wasting time. You were never gonna take your
So guys, I'm at Yolo Beach and well, it's fun. It's okay. We just got here. Wait, when did we get here? I don't remember when we got here, but it's been a while. We got here like 30 minutes ago, so I just did my makeup real quick and yeah, I decided to continue vlogging. So would you believe that I literally got to the boat side at 9 in the morning, but because Reggie, Rejoice and his friends were not ready, I had to wait till like 12. Thankfully I was waiting with them. I had to go meet them up, but I'm just annoyed that I had to wait. I'm not a patient person, but yeah, it's chill. Thank you, babe. Thank you. I have to find somewhere that I can take pictures at because I want to take pictures. But then everybody has like the patience to take your picture, especially if they don't know you. And the only person I know here is Rejoice, and I don't think he can probably take the pictures. I'll ask him. But yeah, let's try and see if we get the pictures done. Another thing, I'm kind of like annoyed, not annoyed in a way, but like I'm noticing that I've worn this bikini before to take pictures, but I couldn't get another one. Like I got the info for today yesterday, so there was no way. Yeah, there was no way that I would have been able to get a bikini in time because I was busy, so I couldn't really go shopping for it. But yeah, I'll just have to make it work. I don't know how, but if you see this picture on Instagram for like the second time, me in this bikini, then like just mind your business because it's not even that big a deal. Oh, look at that side. What about this side? Yes, we should do here. Here will be nice. Let's go upstairs. Let's see the views. Wow, we're taking them here, guys. Wow, definitely here. Maybe like with this view, 100%. Let me go and find somebody.
What I'm looking for, I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her.
Is it because you like my accent? Is it the way that I talk my shit? Is it the way that I wear these glasses? Met him on April the 6th. Okay. About 15, bought me a pack. I heard he be hard on bitch. Shit, I made him fall in love with a savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel. You got no type, but he say I'm the one. Let's go. He must got a thing for real, bitch. I know I can get a little crazy. I know, but I love that you know how to deal with it. I need you to bear with me, baby. For real. I ain't really used to no real niggas. You own me and I'm on you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it